Hi guys, here welcome in the Japatech. If you have not watched the other video, then first of all watch the first part one because it gives knowledge about the programming. So in this tutorial, I will be explaining you about the text view, how we can change the color in the text view, make it blink and hide the upper bar, and make a secret panel to our app. So let's go to our app. Back, go to export session, and we'll create a new project here. That is, project name will be TextView. Okay, now you know this is the design panel, this is the Java panel. First of all, we will design. We'll delete this. The best layout I used is relative layout. You can also use that. Add inside. What we'll add is we are going to do our test upon the text view. Okay, this will be jhapatech. Okay, now we'll go to the center part. We'll make this in the center. Okay, now this is the text view. Now what we'll do is, when the text view is clicked, then the color of the text view should be changed. So for this, first of all, we will have to assign the value to the text view. That is main text view id/view. Okay, you can give any id. I'll give text. Then save it and declare here like, okay, text view. We are going to give it name T. Now what we'll do is, we'll connect the design to the Java text. Okay, intercast. Okay, now we have connected the design panel to the Java. Now what we will do is, we will make an onClick method like the previous one. OnClick, and we will give it name change, and you know the code, public void change view. Okay, now we'll use the method if t dot get text okay, what we'll do is, if get text colors, I think, wait. Okay, now what we'll do is, we will make a if t dot get current text color if is equal to color dot black. Then there is a error, but I will find it out. Okay, wait. Okay, there is a error. I'll try to find it out. Wait. T dot get current text color is equal to color dot black. Okay, now it is working. If the color is black, then we'll make the color t dot set text color to color dot red, else t dot set text color to color dot black. Okay, now let's run the code and see. Okay, I'll skip this part. I will open the see. Okay, now you can see this is the text color is changing. Now you can add more things and make more colors and make more things like changing the color from red to black, black to blue, like that. Okay, now next thing I'll teach you is to make the text blink. Okay, I mean when you click the text then it should hide, and when we'll click it back then it should get visible. So first of all I'll delete this code. So for this we need to get the assign the value to the relative layout. So main relative layout like the other, first declare the relative layout m dot. It is not saved, so main relative layout, and we will enter a cast here. Okay, now we'll make a code that if t dot get visibility is equal to view dot visible, there is again error, but I'll try to make. Oh, that was the error. Okay, if the that is visible then we have to make it invisible. So for that t dot set visibility to view dot invisible. Okay, now if the but if the bottom is invisible then how can we click the bottom? So for that we'll assign a value to the layout and write here on click method to u. Okay, now we'll assign a new public void u view v. Okay, now if the bottom is invisible then we should click on the relative layout to make it visible, but if the bottom is visible and we'll click on the relative layer then it will be again visible. So to make this correction what we will do is if t dot get visibility is equal to view dot visible, this okay, if it is visible then it will do nothing, else what it will do, t dot set visibility to view dot visible. Okay, now let's run the app and see. I'll skip this part. Okay, our app is installed. Now we'll open this and see. We'll click here then invisible visible, invisible visible. Okay, now you have seen. Now I'll teach you to hide the upper bar. This bar sometimes you don't need this bar. So what we can do is, this is a simple code, very much simple. What we should do is go to the main onCreate method. This onCreate method is the first created method. Okay, now what we should do is here in the onCreate method you should give a text this dot. Okay, we'll make a thing like that. When the text view is click then the bar should be hidden. So now what we'll do is this dot, that is called action bar dot hide. Okay, it is hidden with the text, and when the text is unhidden then the bar will also be unhidden. This dot get action bar dot on hide, we can do that. Wait, okay, The code is so. Now what we'll do is we'll just run the app. Okay, opening the app, you can see the bar is hidden, the bar is again here, it is hidden. So now the another thing we'll be learning in this video is the secret panel. Sometimes you need a secret panel so that we can only get inside the inside. So for this what we will do is we have already assigned the value to the text view. So what we will do is we'll go to the on click method, and first of all let me remove this all things. Okay, now there is a method. If you don't like the on click method, then you can use t.set on click listener. Okay, this one, a new on click listener. On click listener, this one, and okay, this can be also used if you don't want to use on click. But what we will do here is to make the secret panel, we shall set on long click listener, new on long click listener, and we have to go here and click here and make okay, this one on click return false. You have seen here. So now what basically this will do is when we will long click on the bottom, then something will be done. So inside here you should declare the function what you want to do. So here I want to make a toast telling that talk.next application one, telling that you are admin. Okay, now toast dot length long dot so. Now let's see what happens when we run the code. Okay, now we'll open the app and see. We'll click on long click, then you are admin. Okay, there is an error. There is an error because we have assigned the on click method here, but we have not given the command here. So it will show error. So first of all, make sure that you have given the on click method here also. So this much for today, guys. I hope you guys liked my video. I'll be teaching about the everything I know about the Android programming to you. So for this, first of all, you have to subscribe my channel. Subscribe to the channel. In next video, I'll be teaching you about how to make a simple calculator. So thank you for watching.